Xin chào, hello everyone, welcome back. I hope that this channel is your ultimate resource to learn the beautiful Vietnamese language. In today's lesson, we will learn about Vietnamese word structure. As we have learned from previous lesson, there are 29 letters in Vietnamese alphabet and it consists of vowel and consonant. Then today, we will go further about vowels and consonants. In Vietnamese, the vowels consist of sound a, o, o, e, u, i, and e. Beside vowel, we have diphthongs. It includes the sound yeah, yeah, ya, ya, wo, ua, ua. And the consonants, it consists of sound b, k, z, d, g, h, l, m, n, p, q, r, sh, t, v, s, i. And beside consonants, we have compound consonants. It is f, th, z, ch, ch, ñ, kh, ng, ng, g. And about word structures, in one word consists of initial sound and rhyme. With the initial sounds, it all consists of initial consonants. It consists of sounds like b, m, p, f, v, t, th, d, n, z, z, r, s, sh, ch, ch, ñ, l, k, h, ng, g, h. And the rhymes, it consists of central sound and final sound. The central sound is when consists of vowels and diphthongs. The vowels sound like a, o, e, u, i. And the diphthongs consist of ia, o, ua, and ua. And last but not least, the final sounds is all consist of final consonants. For example, p, t, k, ch, m, n, ng, ñ. There's one important note is sometimes there are some words that doesn't have initial sound. It contains the rhymes only, such as anh, em, ăn. So now, let's practice together. Bờ, ba, bè, buôn, buông. Mờ, mai, mày, mình, mương. Phở, pha, phòng. Vờ, vinh, vui, vênh, vàng. Tờ, tin, tôi, tên, tinh, tàng. Thở, thi, thêm, thăm, thương. Đờ, đi, đa, đoan, đăng. N, nam, nem, nêm. Giờ, ra, do, dai. Giờ, ra, do. R, ra. Sờ, xa, xem, sinh, xong. Sờ, sen, xô, xa. Chờ, cho, che, trong, trường. Chờ, che, trông, chưa. Nhờ, nha, nho. Lờ, lên, la, lời, lem. Cờ, ca, căn, cân, con, cô. Cờ, kê, ki, ken. Cu, que, quang, quanh. Khờ, kho, khi, khoang, không. Ngờ, nga, ngân, ngăn, ngon, ngôn, ngu. Ngờ, nghi, nghe. G, ga, gam. G, gi, gen. Hờ, hoa, hang, hay. There is one important note that there are some letters come with same pronunciation. However, the position is different. For example, cờ, ca, and cu is all pronounced cờ when you put in the word, or ngờ, is all pronounced like ngờ in the word, or g, is all pronounced g. However, the position is different as you can see in this table. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Remember that together we will discover the beauty of Vietnamese language. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại. Goodbye and see you soon.